Jackie. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be unboxing my first ever luxury purchase. I have purchased cosmetics and that sort of stuff in the past from Chanel, and I actually have an unboxing of that. If you'd like to see that, I will leave that down below, and I'll also put it up in the iCard as well. But yeah, so I have purchased from like Chanel before, but I've never actually bought like an actual like item, like accessory, and I actually did today, so I'm going to be showing you guys that in this video, and I'm super excited to do so. So let's get right on into it. So I went ahead and made a purchase at Chanel, and I did buy some really beautiful sunglasses that I am about to show you right now. So I actually went ahead and made this purchase on Poshmark because I was in the need for some new sunglasses, and I always like to look on Poshmark because you can find really great, amazing deals on there, and I found these sunglasses that came with literally everything, and the seller was so nice and sweet. She wrote me this really cute like little note, and yeah, I absolutely loved it, and I cannot wait to show you guys. So we are now just gonna open the box, and this is the case, if I can get it out. This is what the case looks like. It's really this like beautiful like black sleek like diamond quilted case with the little Chanel symbol in the corner right here. It is absolutely stunning. And then in the box it did come with the little booklet for the sunglasses, the authentication card, and this little like little manual or whatever, I don't know, well, another booklet. So we are now going to open up the case, and I'm going to show you guys the sunglasses. So they came in this beautiful like little pouch that just says Chanel, so I'm going to open it up really quick so I can show you the sunglasses. And these are what they look like. They are absolutely gorgeous. I love the style of these glasses. They are kind of like a cat eye. I don't actually know if they are cat eye, but they look like a cat eye, which is like my favorite style of like frame for sunglasses. And yeah, this is just so beautiful. It has the gold Chanel symbols on each side with also this like gold plating at the edges of it. It is so cute, and this is what it looks like on, which I think they look like so great. I think they remind me so much of like Holly Golightly like sunglasses, Audrey Hepburn. I absolutely love these, and I was in need of a black pair of sunglasses because my sunglasses actually just broke, and so I really needed some new ones, and I saw these and I just like couldn't resist them. I thought they were so beautiful, especially like with the gold detail, because gold is like my favorite like kind of color when it comes to like metals and like that kind of stuff. So I really loved these, and I don't really tend to like make like really big purchases, but these I was just like, they are so gorgeous and I really just love them. So I purchased them, and I'm really happy I did because I absolutely love these, and I think they just go with like so many outfits, and you can wear them like whenever. So yeah, I'm really happy about this purchase. And then also in the sunglasses case, it came with the little cleaning cloth that was never opened or used. So yeah. But yeah guys, that is it for this unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below video requests that you have for me, and if you like these unboxings, I can definitely do more. And yeah, follow me on social medias. They will be in the description box below, and I will see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much.